Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest gadgets and gizmos so you can make informed decisions. Today, we've got something special for all you gaming enthusiasts out there. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070.
Let's dive right in.
The Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 is making waves in the world of gaming graphics cards. It promises an impressive Quad HD and entry-level 4K performance without breaking the bank. But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out.
At the heart of the RTX 4070 is Nvidia's latest Ada Lovelace architecture. Built on a 5nm process node, this powerhouse delivers a significant boost in raw performance compared to its predecessors.
Plus, with 4th-generation Tensor cores and 3rd-generation ray tracing cores, you can expect smoother gameplay and stunning visuals.
From a design standpoint, the RTX 4070 doesn't disappoint.
Whether you opt for the Gigabyte Gaming OC Edition or the PNY VERTO Dual Fan,
you're getting a sleek and efficient graphics card that looks great in any build. And with features like HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, you're future-proofed for the latest displays and peripherals.
But let's talk performance.
We ran the RTX 4070 through a series of rigorous tests, including synthetic benchmarks and in-game trials. And let me tell you, it didn't disappoint. With frame rates consistently hitting above 70 FPS in Quad HD and delivering an impressive entry-level 4K gaming experience, this card is a powerhouse.
Of course, we can't talk about the RTX 4070 without mentioning DLSS and ray tracing. DLSS 3 offers a massive performance boost for supported games, while ray tracing delivers realistic lighting effects that truly immerse you in the game world. And with improved efficiency, you can enjoy these features without sacrificing performance. And let's not forget about power consumption.
Despite its impressive performance, the RTX 4070 remains highly efficient, with lower peak power draw compared to its predecessors. So you can game with peace of mind knowing that you're not putting too much strain on your system.
So, should you buy the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070?
If you're looking for an affordable graphics card that delivers exceptional Quad HD and entry-level 4K performance, then absolutely. But if you're already rocking a 30 series card, you might want to hold off for now.
Ultimately, the RTX 4070 is a solid choice for gamers looking to upgrade their rig without breaking the bank. And that wraps up our review of the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!